Bitcoin going up like crazy, but when and how do we sell Bitcoin? If so, are we going to sell cryptocurrencies or not? Or are we going to just wait? You want to know everything about that? Smash the like button. This is CryptoNews, Rodrigo, Arnedo, crypto to the max. And you can see how Bitcoin is going higher and higher. It's in a new all-time high and it's getting boring to title the videos Bitcoin in a new all-time high. You see the yellow line, it was the past all-time high, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 times we've been beyond that. So happily we can say 71,600 is right now the all-time high for Bitcoin. And you need to consider that we are in a new all-time high. We broke the 7,000K, but also Wall Street is, as I'm recording this, in deep sleep. So be careful with Mondays, because maybe we're going to have today a crazy rally, maybe one of those $10,000 candles, what we call the God candle. Hopefully so. Any case, we closed the weekly about the 69K and completed its highest weekly candle ever. So also a new all-time high according to this. We told you that Bitcoin now might triple from here to the next top. And also, we told you that 3 times in a row in just 18 days or 10 days, we doubled price. So what about that? We are still going up. We have here this 18 days with trading view, link in the description below. Maybe we're going to 138K in the next 2 weeks. We'll leave that here. And also, any case, maybe we are not even in an all-time high. So these 18 days or 10 days have to wait. Till when? Well, you told me, remember, 67,544 if we consider inflation. And we are in the 71,600. So we are close to the all-time high, no matter how you look at it. So happy. So now, when we need to take profit, how much and when? Well, here, first strategy. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever about when to sell, the best strategy. But even though myself, I'm thinking about this, I want to share with you the opinion of some experts out there. So Jelly is saying that you should divide your holdings by the amount of weeks you think this run will last. And you have the percentage that you had to sell each week. And also, we have some data there. In the last cycle, Bitcoin ran for another 49 weeks after breaking its all-time high. The 2017 cycle ran for another 40 weeks. So maybe we still need to be 49, 40 weeks for the next top. And in our way there, you should divide all you have for these weeks, and then you have the amount you need to sell. Also, Chico Cripto, link in the description below, created this video telling you when and how to sell. His strategy, not mine, his, is selling Bitcoin, cashing out once Bitcoin is at 125K. He's not selling anything till then. And there, he's selling 50% of its Bitcoin. At 125, Chico Cripto will do that. And then, once it's $10,000 more for the price of Bitcoin, 125K, 145K, 155K, he's selling another 10% until we are in 175K. He would sell 100% all the Bitcoin. I don't believe that, but well, that's the strategy he's telling us. Probably in the way you change your plan and he will have some Bitcoin remaining. I don't believe that you will sell all the crypto you have. Or would you? Tell me in the comments below. What about Ethereum? Well, here you have Chico Crypto's strategy. He's going to wait till 7,000. And there's when he's going to sell 50% of its bags. And then every 1,000, 8K, 9K, 10K, 11K, and 12K, he's going to sell another 10%. So at 12K, he's out of Ethereum allegedly again. So again, with Bitcoin, he starts at 125. With Ethereum, he starts at 7. and he sells half of his portfolio in this crypto, and then a 10% every, in this case 10K, or every $1,000 in the case of Ethereum. And what about all the altcoins that are not Ethereum? Well, it depends, he's telling us. If you believe those are good projects, maybe you're considering things like IOTA or Chainlink or Cardano, those that you have for the long run. Or maybe are those hype coins that you don't really like, but you want to make some money with them. Remember that you can see between them in dextools.io. You have their meme coins, DeFi projects. You have all these yield farming, etc., etc. You have projects created just because of Donald Trump's name or because the cat of Vitalik Buterin. So probably those are not holdings you have for a long run. And how should you sell them? Well, consider that combine the meme coins are a $53.3 billion combined market cap. Crazy thing, and also crazy that we have things like this, which is Dogecoin with a hat, and it made a killing. But are you going to hold that one? Or maybe real world assets? Are you going to hold those for the long run? Chainlink, for example, in this almost in this category. Well, you have to decide whether those are hype alts for you or not. And if so, if this is something not for the long run, but just for making money, then his idea is to sell 3x at 3x. So the idea is once you are 3x, where the point you bought it, you sell 50%. And then every time you have one more x, 4x, 5x, 7x, 8x, then you sell another 10% till you run out of that coin. Do you think this is interesting? You can pause the video and think about it for a little bit. If we consider that Pepe was an investment just for making money, I am 7, almost 8x right now. So I should buy it. And I'm not. Why? Why I'm not selling? The idea is I bought it from 100 euros, and now it is 777 euros approximately. So what do you think? Should I sell Pepe, or it's going to go to the million and I'm gonna lose it? That's the thing. And how can you find some help for all of this? Well, using coin tracking. You have the link in the description below, and there you have a portfolio tracker. Here there is an demo account, and you can see that on panel in this demo account, this person allegedly has all these cryptocurrencies. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my own coin tracking portfolio, and I'm gonna try to decide. You can see that I don't really know right now what to do, but I'm going to try to decide. First things first, my first homework today is to try to differentiate between the tokens I'm holding for the long run, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, but then I have a long number of other cryptocurrencies, and I want to decide if those are hyped altcoins or they are for the long run. And then I will decide, the same as Chico Cripto did, where is my point of selling and how I'm going to sell those cryptocurrencies. And I have to. Also in Spain, we have to consider tax stuff. We pay a lot of taxes. I'm stuck in Spain right now, so if I'm about to sell, I have to consider that. And also for that, I need coin tracking, because if not, it would be impossible. You have a 10% discount in the description below if you want to do as myself and use coin tracking. And also, remember, I recommend you to listen or watch if you want. This video is an hour and a half with some friends. We talk about the crypto industry. We talk about tax events in Spain, Argentina, etc. And also about the future of crypto for the Spanish and not Spanish world. Now, back to good news. You have here BlackRock CEO Larry Fink literally on Fox Business arguing with the host about why Bitcoin is the modern day digital gold, how it protects you from inflation and removes counterparty risk associated with governments. The narrative is changing. It's amazing to see these people that once were against Bitcoin now holding crazy amounts of Bitcoin. Now they flipped MicroStrategy finally. So now is the is the institutional biggest holder of Bitcoin in the world. Also, consider this thought from Ben Herring: Bitcoin may be to 100K and more than that by the halving, 420K by Christmas. What are the assumptions for this? Well, grayscale done selling, then the net inflow averaged 700 million from mid-March through the end of the year, and the 5x multiplier. So according to this, maybe close to $500,000 by Christmas. Crazy stuff. And that's the thing. If you have the CEO of BlackRock talking on Fox Business, maybe we don't want to sell. That's why, again, I'm stuck here. I want to take profits, but I don't want to mess up. And here the Bitcoin therapy is telling us that maybe by the halving, we are going to be in the 100K and 1 million by 2028. People need to wake up. This thing is not going away. If you sell it today, you will never forgive yourself. Also, consider this guy. I wish I had kept my 1,700 Bitcoin instead of selling them at 0.30. Imagine having now 1,700 Bitcoin. This was 16 May 2011. So now, are we going to sell it when it's going to go to 1 million, maybe? Also, Kiyosaki here, poor dad, rich dad, saying that Bitcoin's on fire, and the biggest mistake that you can make is to procrastinate. Maybe you think you are too late, or maybe not. It's important to start, even if only for $500. Next stop, 3,000 per Bitcoin in 2024. So again, if you believe this is the end and it's stopped already, maybe you're wrong. So start today buying a little bit. This is not financial advice. Again, it's something I would tell myself if I hadn't had Bitcoin. Now, more bullish scenarios from Max. The idea is that the total crypto market cap in 2017 peaked at 760 billion. In 2021, total market cap peaked at 3 trillion. In this cycle, even if we see only 150% growth from the previous all-time high of 3 trillion, we can expect a total market cap to peak somewhere near 7.5 trillion. Amazing stuff. A lot of things that might happen. If you know, says Crypto Robert. Once Bitcoin breaks above its all-time high, it historically only hits the 1.610 fib extension within 21 days. That would be 100K for Bitcoin. Sit back and enjoy the pump to 100K. What about this chart? We are here. We're so early. We still need to hodl or not, or we need to take some profits. Here, Max also telling us that maybe once we closed on the 69,000 on the weekly, the next stop would be, because of this line, the $90,000. And you have to consider that nobody has ever lost money buying Bitcoin right now, as we are in an all-time high. Here you can see people who bought Bitcoin at 69K in 2021, so happy because they are 1% up. And here, a simple strategy from Max also saying, well, you have here the 2-week MACD, and you can see how in the past it perfectly predicted almost every cycle top and bottom. So you buy here and you sell here, you buy here and you sell here, you buy here, and now we can sell when it crosses beyond the zero line. That would be at some point in 2025, allegedly, and after the halving, of course. So if you see previous times, the idea is that you don't really buy in the very exact point for the bottom. You don't sell in the very exact point for the top, but it's a good investment. If you did that in the past, you did it really, really well. And you don't have to be crazy about trading. You just need to wait longer. Also consider that we are waiting for altcoin market cap to be also crazy. Bitcoin might do this movement as it did in 2017, but the altcoin market cap would do things like that. You have the bubbles in the green, and you see here those coins that want to go 20%. We are just 20% of what is to come. Also, Michael Van de Poppe, the same idea. The altcoin market cap still needs to gain 70% So all the crazy altcoins are going to pump, maybe 10x, maybe more, as Crypto Robert is telling us here for the AI cryptocurrencies. So that's why I don't know if I should sell or not. Tell me in the comments below, what are you going to do? Consider also that Ethereum might be approved for a spot ETF in United States in around 70 days, and that will make everything pump. You see here Ethereum above the $4,000 line. What if we go to the all-time high? We are just 20%, and we keep on track with this 45 channel, this 45-degree channel, that can put us in 10,000 in May 2024. So I'm extremely greedy, and that's why I can't sell. I consider that Bitcoin is now 13th largest currency in the world, as you can see here. We tell you all these tools where you can compare and see rankings for Bitcoin. And today you can see there, fanontheright.com, that Bitcoin just surpassed silver. So congratulations on that one too. Borovic told us on X. Go to CryptoNews. You need to, sorry for that, have your currencies in safety. You have there this section, crypto safety, and you should buy this treasure, and maybe some of your portfolio should be there and not in exchanges. Link in the description below for your Treasure 1 or 2 with an eternal discount, or you have a video for the Treasure Model 3 that I myself are using. So any case, be safe out there. Also in Spain, they are saying that famous people are being used to scam. Their image is going to be trying to scam you. So be careful with that and use a cold wallet like Trezor. Link in the description below. What is safe is Bitcoin. You can see here also, you find this in fanontheright.com. The Bitcoin uptime.org for Bitcoin is right now 99.9888889. That's almost 100% time in its 15 years that Bitcoin had worked properly. I consider that to even have a chance to stop Bitcoin, every government in the world will have to successfully coordinate simultaneously to shut down the internet everywhere and keep it off forever. Even in that improbable scenario, the Bitcoin network can be communicated over radio signals and mesh networks. So Bitcoin's unstoppable, the market is in the green, the most important ones are going up, and Sony from PlayStation asking for a patent on tokens fungible, super fungibles for gaming. So yes, you can see that we are FOMOing big time like this cat, because we believe the party just started. But now, rest a little bit if you want, and remember that love is all that matters. It doesn't matter the money you have. Find today someone to hug and be happy. But if you want to keep up learning, watch all our videos on AI news. Today, we release a new video. And if you want more about the crypto, well, you have CriptoNews, Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, party in peace, and crypto to the max. Adieu to the moon.